lovelies, thank you for joining me. Let's get started. I've already put my foundation on and the brows are done. Now I'm prepping the lids with concealer and then lightly setting with a powder. Now start on the lids with a transition color in the crease and blend out towards the brow bone. Build with dark neutral colors and blend. Cut the crease with a concealer and lightly set with a powder. And now you're going to cut the shape of the liner with a lighter concealer and a small angled brush. Now pack the colors on the liner using a small flat brush. As you add color, make sure to blend into the other colors for a seamless transition, like so. When you're done, clean up under the wing. I'm now going to do the rest of this half of my face. Now with this look, you want the eyes to really stand out, so I'm going to use a neutral lip color. Now that one side is done, I'm going to start on the other with the white body paint and a brush to create the brushstroke effect. Here it is, the final look. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give me a thumbs up so I know and leave me a comment. And while you're still here, go ahead and subscribe to see more and follow me on my other social medias.